What's going on, everyone? Levi here with Fox Ridge Slabs. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to do some cutting. I've got some blocks of wood back here. We're not going to touch this chunk of maple. We're not going to touch that chunk of black walnut back there in this video. In this video I have this chunk of walnut right here, about 15-inch diameter, a little bit more as you go down, but 15 to 18-inch diameter for this one right here. Behind me, I have a piece of apple that is about 17-inch diameter. It's crab apple. Let me know what you think in the comments if you like apple or black walnut more. And then I've got a smaller chunk of black walnut right here. So I need to adjust this mill. I actually just flattened all three of these. If you want to see how I do that, I'm going to link a video in the description, a couple different videos. One of the videos is just kind of a tutorial on how I do some of my first cuts. And then I'll also link another video where I'm doing some cookies and I actually show you what I do to flatten the cookies before I start milling. So I'm going to adjust this. Right now it's adjusted at 2 3/4 inches thick. I'm going to adjust it to 2.5 inches thick. I'm using my Stihl MS 661 Gramberg G 777 small log mill. I've got a Stihl 20-inch bar and a Stihl 20-inch just standard sequence, standard 30-degree angle chain. We're just going to cut these things down to 2.5 inches thick, and we're going to see what they look like at the end. As far as adjusting this mill, super easy. If you guys are looking to get into the chainsaw milling game, these mills are great. They're great for beginners, but also they're really great for just doing the small logs. You need to turn it the correct way. So you need to loosen these nuts. You guys, I'm struggling here. Wow. This is way too tight. This is how you end up breaking bolts. Here we go. Don't tighten it that tight. About 10 pounds of torque is what you want to put on these things. Anyway, like I was saying, I don't even know what I was saying. I got really distracted, but these are great little mills. Gramberg recommends 50 cc to 72 cc chainsaw. The Stihl MS 661 is a 92 cc chainsaw, and with a 20-inch bar, this thing absolutely rips. You guys are going to see that. I'm going to get through these cookies very fast. All right, we're at 2.5 inches thick. This is a freshly ground chain. I've made probably 18-20 cuts with it, and you're going to see that this chain is going to absolutely fly through these pieces of wood. Alright, I'm going to get my gloves on. I'm going to get my earplugs in first. Double earplug. I should be using safety glasses, but they're fogging up and I can't see. And if I can't see, that's also dangerous. So I guess I'd rather see than not see. that chainsaw. This chainsaw is a beast. It absolutely flew through these pieces of wood. Highly recommend the Stihl MS 661 20-inch bar, Gramberg G777 small mill. Throw a cross-cutting chain on for cookies. Throw a Gramberg ripping chain on for milling with the grain, slabbing. You cannot go wrong with this setup at all. I'm going to set a few of the cookies up. I just want you to take a look at the apple versus the black walnut in the comments. Let me know what you think. I personally prefer apple. Apple is one of my most favorite woods. It's harder and denser than walnut. The colors are so incredibly unique, but walnut is definitely a close number 2, maybe number 3. All right, guys, check these out. Apple in the first row, black walnut in the second row. I love them all. They're all really nice. I think that most of you right now are going to say that you like the black walnut more. I think that a lot of you maybe haven't worked with apple, haven't seen finished apple, but if you were to see these finished next to each other, I think that you would say that you like the apple more. Again, just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Got a ton of short logs over here. I've got some 11-foot long black walnut logs to mill. I have a ton of black walnut over there to mill, cherry, apple, spalted maple. I probably have 7-8 different types of wood to mill just on this property alone. I'm going to keep cranking out as many milling videos as possible, so please subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you leave a positive comment, and I'll see you next video.